Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Okie dokie, we got a little bit of break in the rain here at Moody Town, and we're going to catch another rarity for us is the M692. All right. Okie dokie, had to run down to Glenwood to feed my nephew's dogs while he's gone to the beach. So I come up Old Glenwood Road just in case there was a train somewhere around about, and guess what? I caught one, a northbound. Now this is either M652 or M692, and the train you just seen was either M652 or M692. The reason I say that is because I have really no idea. I thought I heard that was 692 this morning, but it could have been 652. And it could have been, here's the train. Okie dokie. That's my video for today, and I'll be back out trackside tomorrow, see what we can catch. See you then.